Okay, so how do you use iCloud on your iPhone? Well, iCloud is a very essential feature for iPhones because you should know that iCloud and Apple ID are both connected. So you know that when you just set up your iPhone, you need to have an Apple account which you use to download apps and use the iPhone without problems. And this account is also technically your iCloud account. And iCloud can be managed for multiple different things. So obviously, Apple ID and iCloud being the same thing, it's required to be able to download apps and use it in any meaningful way, right? So when it comes to that, you need to make sure you have an account, an iCloud Apple ID account to be able to use your phone. However, if you're asking about iCloud specifically as a feature, then you can just tap on your name in the settings and there is the iCloud. And iCloud essentially is a storage on the cloud which you can use for multiple different purposes. You can use it to just store your files like PDFs, photos, or whatever. You can use it to back up your iPhone, where you just save your online backups there. And you can also just use it to sync apps, meaning that you have some notes on one device and also they're going to be accessible on the cloud as well as on other like iPads or other iPhones that you own. So these are the primary use cases for the iCloud. And now it depends. Well, you can see that I have 5 gigabytes available, and that is the free version. Every single person, every iCloud account has 5 gigabytes of storage for free, which is fine in case you want to just back up your notes and sync them with other devices or messages and other like minor information. Then it's pretty enough. However, in case you want to back up all of your photos to the iCloud, you'll likely need to upgrade. Or in case you want to store like more files on your iCloud drive, then you're likely going to need to upgrade. And that's a paid service, meaning that you need to pay monthly fee to get access to more storage. And also one more thing about iCloud that you should know is that you can access the iCloud drive, but this is, just like you have Google Drive or Dropbox, a place online storage where you can put your files. This can be accessed through the Files app, where you just click on a browse, and within the locations, you check out an iCloud Drive, and you can just turn it on and upload your files in here. So that's how you can use it. That's essentially all that I wanted to say about it. Let me know down below what you think. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one.